I got the opportunity to explore the Hartbeespoort Dam surrounding area by boat. Come along as we start off at Ifafi Aquatic Club, past Pecanwood Estate, Kosmos, the dam wall and Schoemansville, where the Snake and Animal Park is situated, all the way back to the Ifafi Aquatic Club. This will give you a good idea of what's to be expected when you go for an outing on the Hartbeespoort Dam. Speaking of, I recently did some research on companies that offer water sports activities at the Hartbeespoort Dam and compiled a list of the top 6. If you're looking for a romantic boat cruise, private cruises for small groups, ideal for friends and family, party boat for big groups, ideal for that company outing, jet ski and speedboat rentals, or something different like airboat rides, river rafting or kayaking along the Crocodile River, this list is for you. This way you don't have to do your research yourself, and best of all, it's free. So have a look in the description or comments section where I drop the link that will take you straight to the site. Give me your email and I will forward the list to you. That's it, let's have a look around the dam. In closing, I hope this video gives you a better idea of what's to be expected on the Hartbeespoort Dam. You can easily spend a day on the dam. Then lastly, check out the link in the description I talked about earlier. If you have a question or a suggestion, drop it in the comments below and I will try and get back to you as soon as possible. If you found the video helpful, would you be so kind to give me a thumbs up? And if you would like some more, I recommend you check out the video of us hiking up Mount Magalies. It was brutal. There should be a link to the video on screen. Thanks for watching. Until the next outing.